Whose cat is that?
It's Junior. That's Renee's cat. Now, if you let, that would sort of be interesting to see. Junior comes in and just like lies down in front of Holly on her back.
That's the truth about cats and
He is
dogs.
like the cat that thinks he's a dog. But Holly tries to get him to play, and
He won't. He's just like. I think the thing with puppies is they can keep going. Just like
Yeah.
a little kid.
Yeah.
Just give them water and they'll go.
Yeah.
Where's Chuck?
Chucky is returning some library books, and backwards.
You're heading out.
We're supposed to.
You're moving out.
We're supposed to. Andrew wants to go to Olive Garden. It's like one restaurant that really isn't one close to us.
So lucky. He's so lucky. Yeah.
You
He
love Olive
loves
Garden?
Olive.
Yes.
Oh, I know Andrew does too. We just.
I don't know why, because it's like if I get that salad, it's not
Because
That's what it
it
is.
is actually the fact that something is unlimited. That is what. Yeah. So. Susan Carolina plays that.
Come back. Yeah. Where is the Olive Garden in Europe? There's one in Tyson.
There's one near Tyson's, and there's one in Columbia. Those are the two ones.
Those are the only ones that yeah.
Yeah, the one in Columbia, typically when we make our annual check up to see the eye doctor at Hopkins, we've stopped there. Where he has